Like, I like tea, I'm just really not good at it, if that makes sense. Like, hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. It is the first day of October 2019 box week. I'm gonna be honest with you, I am like on the struggle wagon. I thought I saw something in the back of my room. I always do that. I'm always like creeped out there's something back there, and it's just me in here. Super awkward. Because I had like some crazy stuff happen to me this week. Essentially, the end result of everything that happened is I ended up having to get a new phone this week, so I'm like behind on like everything in my life, which is just awesome. So tonight I'm actually excited. Like, I'm tired, but I'm excited to be spending tonight with you guys and just hanging out and kicking off our week of fun. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every month. It is the 1 week every month me and my YouTube family, we spend 7 consecutive days together, so you're catching us on day 1. And tonight we're going to be opening up this box. It was new to my channel last month. It's Sips By. Sips By is a monthly tea subscription box. With this box, you get like 4 different teas every month for $15. If you want to try it out for yourself, I do have a code down below in the description box. I believe it is Drew5. You will get $5 off your first subscription box with them. I did try the teas last month. They were really, really good. So I'm excited. I like tea. I'm actually somebody who I'm always trying to learn more about tea. Like, I'm like with coffee, I'm a coffee girl, but I also, like, I like tea. I'm just really not good at it, if that makes sense. Like, does that make sense? Like, I don't know like what I should be picking out. So the cool thing is you go on Sips By, you create a profile, and they send you teas based off of like your preferences and things that you like. So that's kind of what I mean by that. All right, and then they do send me this box in order for me to try out for you guys, to tell you about it. So they do send it to me complimentary to test it out and let you know what I think. And so far I actually really, really like it. So I have Mr. John Wayne here to open up the box for me tonight so that we can get into this month's tea subscription, which honestly I need like a relaxing cup of tea today. I need it after everything that's gone on in the last like 24 hours. I need some tea to chill out. All right, so this is my October teas. And the cool thing is right on the top, it says, can you see it says made for Drew? I love that they personalize it. Like, I don't know, I always like it when boxes just make me feel special. And it looks like they have, in this box, we have 4 different teas. So we're gonna start with this one. This is Harvest Apple Ahishta tea. Now this one I don't know if I'll be able to try it or not. I'll have to see like if it's actual like flecks of apple or more just apple flavoring, because I am technically allergic to apples. Yeah, is what it is. So this one is caffeine free, the Harvest Apple. Apples peeled, dusted with spice and flaky crust, just baked into a rooibos base. Enjoy a cup of the most iconic of autumn classics, whose sweet pomaceous fruit its origin to Asia. That's really nice. Sounds great. The next one that we have is Churchill's Fine Teas French Vanilla Black Tea. French vanilla tea. Oh my God, that sounds good. That sounds like so good. This one is medium caffeine. This rich and creamy vanilla tea is perfect for sipping straight up or making into a latte. Check your Learn page for instructions on how to make a French vanilla tea latte. That's so cool. They have like a page to teach you about learning too. Dude, I love this. This is cool. Next we have Tea Lyra, the galaxy of teas. Look at this. Look at this. Also, if you go to tealyra.com and you type in Sips By Tea, you get 30% off. This is organic raspberry punch tea in here. That's dope. All right, let's see what this is. Low caffeine. The simple blend of juicy raspberry, organic green tea, and a touch of hibiscus creates a sweet, fresh, and fruity brew with a hint of tartness. So this is like a tea that's supposed to be kind of like a fruit punch. I like it. And then finally we have Silk Dragon Jasmine. Ooh, look at this one. And this one is medium caffeine also, and this is from David's Tea. Medium caffeine night blooming jasmine flowers are placed with tea leaves and they open and release their scent. This process is repeated 5 nights, infusing the tea with a magical jasmine scent. Ooh, and you can get 20% off with code SIPS-BY-David's Tea for 20% off at David's Tea. So to recap, we have the organic Silk Dragon Jasmine from David's Tea right here. Can you see that? Why is my light is doing me wrong. Y'all, the light just won't, there we go. I was like, this light, it just, It's not working with me. And then we have the Tea Lyra Galaxy of Teas here. Do you guys see these portions too? Like, tea is like kind of expensive. So I feel like you're getting all of these for $15 and they're taking out the guesswork. And there's a lot of servings in each bag too. The Churchill's Fine Tea French Vanilla Black Tea, which I'm excited to try that one. And then we got the Harvest Apple. It looks like there's like 2 of those in here. As well as they always give you these little bags in here to make like the tea bags inside, and there's a little thing that talks about the Churchill's tea here. So overall, I'm really excited. I feel like this box is awesome. Like, I really like it. I'm excited that they wanted to like have me check them out. Like, I don't know, it's cool. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around this enemy, and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of box week. Alright, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. This is like real creepy. Look at that. Oh my god. This is weird. It's like a marker. This is like a brow Sharpie. I'm gonna get at it. I'm gonna see what that